Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best portable blenders that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Portable Blenders. In this review post, we dug deep to evaluate most of the blenders available in the blending ecosystem. After weighing their motor speeds, blades performance, internal jar capacity, aesthetic design, and many other relevant features, we settled on one Pop Baby's portable smoothie maker. Traveling means leaving behind one's loved ones and precious belongings. Number 5. Portable Blender Pro Personal Smoothie Blender. This portable USB rechargeable blender equipped with 4000 mAh rechargeable built-in battery which can be fully charged within 2 to 5 hours. Made of BPA-free material. Main features: strong and powerful. Upgrade safety design. High-quality material. Number 4. Portable Blender Personal Smoothie Blender. This BPA-free, dishwasher-safe portable blender has 6 304 stainless steel blades and 150-watt motor generates enough torque to crush foods. Main features: strong motor and rechargeable battery. Stay healthy nutrient extraction. Easy cleaning and fast cooling. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Personal Blender for Shakes. One-touch blending, makes great smoothies, shakes, baby formula, marinades, salad dressing and more. To remove stubborn spots, non-abrasive cleanser. Main features: efficient 175-watt motor. Stainless steel blades. Compact design. Number 2. Portable Blender USB Rechargeable. This smoothie blender is not only for mixing kinds of fruit and vegetables, but also other baby food. It's very portable for traveling, camping, fishing outdoor. Main features: rechargeable lithium batteries. Portable and multifunctional. Easy to use and clean. Number 1. Pop Baby's Portable Personal Blender. Blender was designed by U.S. artist team, manufactured by factory with 30 years manufacturing experiences. We focus on quality, intimate service and customer experience. Main features: compact design. Safe and versatile smoothie. Unique function and gift. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.